If you drive a car in the USA and think your insurance has you covered, there's a big chance you're wrong. Because most Americans only discover the truth after an accident. When the insurance company says, "Sorry, this is not covered," one mistake can cost you $10,000 plus out of pocket. Today, I'll break down car insurance in the USA in simple English. What's legally required, what actually protects you, how much it really costs, and mistakes that silently drain your money. Watch till the end. This video can literally save you thousands. Car insurance is a legal contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a premium monthly or yearly. In return, the insurer helps pay for accidents, injuries, car damage, legal claims. In the USA, driving without insurance is treated as financial irresponsibility, not just a traffic issue. Car insurance exists mainly to protect other people from you. The government requires it to cover accident victims, reduce lawsuits, control unpaid medical bills. Driving uninsured can lead to heavy fines, license suspension, vehicle seizure, higher future premiums, even jail time in some states. No insurance equals no mercy. Receipt types of car insurance. Key Cap 1 Liability insurance. Legally required. Mandatory in almost all states. Covers other people's car damage, other people's medical bills. Police car light, it does not cover your own car. Minimum limits look like 25/50/25. Varies by state. Low limits equals high personal risk. Key Cap 2 Collision coverage. Pays for your own car damage when you hit another vehicle, you crash into an object. Accident is your fault or not. If your car has value, this is non-negotiable. Key Cap 3 Comprehensive coverage. Covers non-accident damage, theft, fire, flood, storm, vandalism, animal collisions. No comprehensive equals one theft can wipe you out. Key Cap 4 Personal Injury Protection, PIP. Pays for medical bills, hospital stays, lost income. Required in no-fault states like Florida and New York. Key Cap 5 Uninsured/Underinsured Motorist. Protects you when other driver has no insurance or very weak coverage. This coverage is underrated and extremely important. Moneybag real cost of car insurance in USA. Average cost. Backhand index pointing right $1,200 to $2,400 per year. Your price depends on age and driving experience, accident and ticket history, state and city, car value and safety rating. Credit score, yes, it matters. Bad credit equals higher premium. No debate. Cross-mark biggest mistakes people make. Prohibited choosing minimum coverage only. Prohibited skipping uninsured motorist. Prohibited lying on application. Prohibited never reviewing policy yearly. Prohibited not understanding deductibles. Insurance companies love uninformed customers. Light bulb smart money-saving tips. Heavy check mark compare quotes every 6 to 12 months. Heavy check mark increase deductible if you have savings. Heavy check mark bundle home plus auto. Heavy check mark ask for safe driver and low mileage discounts. Heavy check mark maintain good credit. Cheap insurance is useless if it doesn't protect you. Car insurance is not paperwork. It's financial survival. Understand it. Choose smart coverage. Never drive blind. Backhand index pointing right, like this video. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe for more USA finance guides. Backhand index pointing right, comment your state. I'll reply with coverage advice.